Hi.
Hello.
Another day has dawned, or should I say passed, because it's like 6 p.m. Working on bleeding the brakes, and then I get to do my favorite thing ever on this car.
Take the intercooler off.
Take the intercooler off to get the nipple for the clutch, so that we can bleed the clutch too. So we'll see how it goes. Do we have brake fluid? I think we do.
Yeah.
Pretty sure I bought some. There's also a 100 mil 4G64 crank for sale if anybody wants it. Haven't been able to sell that. Don't really need it, but it's for sale. We walked right past it. It was on the floor.
Everything's on the floor.
Yep. Dude, it's like we already jacked the car up.
I know, that's why I kind of just left it.
It's pretty legit. Those of you that were like, hey dumbass, those brakes are not going to be black after you brake. Right.
Yeah,
unfortunately. I think this other one shows it pretty well. No, not that one. One of them, that one, there it is. The black has worn off. But it's all good. It's whatever. Alrighty. Tell me when, brother. Press?
Yeah.
That's to the floor, or that's to the floor. What'd you say?
I don't have a noise.
Oh, cool. That's a good thing. Oh no!
Yeah. Nope.
Damn it, almost there.
It's just like every other German car.
Damn it, this isn't German.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying though. But it's like the German.
Doors don't stay open.
Yeah, like the Mini.
Uh-oh. Oh, dude, I forgot!
What?
This car functions now. I can just roll down the windows. Just gotta get the keys. It is really, really hot in this car. That is for sure. Oh, would you look at that? So wonderful. Even the power, like the auto windows work. It's funny how, like, spoiling that is. Say when, brother man.
Can't get my hose on.
Having technical difficulties. Dude, the pink is a nice contrasting color on you.
I know, it makes me look so tan, doesn't it?
Yeah. Not where that goes. Evidently that's not metal.
It's just not heavy enough. There we go. You're good.
I can't believe I totally forgot to show you guys. We got the new radiator. You probably saw it when I went in the truck to get my keys a minute ago, but yeah, that was really like the last critical component that meant this thing couldn't really drive under its own power. As far as we know. Who knows?
Yeah.
There could and probably will be something else.
I mean, it sort of drove.
Yeah,
Like,
it drove up on the trailer, so that's pretty solid.
Yeah. Alright, we'll pull the trailer up, get it off the ground, and then try to go from there.
Pull the trailer up and get the car off, is that what you said?
Yes.
Alright. Couldn't find the wheel key. Somewhere in that mess of a garage. So we'll clean it up this weekend.
I'm so glad.
By we, I mean I will come over on Saturday.
I'm so glad I worked this weekend. Alright, can you grab me my phone? So I know light.
No. There's no texting allowed on the job, dude.
I said a light. No, it's gonna go okay. Alright, you're good.
This is the most generic life proof ever.
Yeah, three people that I hang out with have this case.
Yep. It's ridiculous. Tell me when, brother man!
Step on them.
That's all the way.
Okay.
Let go?
Yeah. Step on them.
That's all the way.
Okay. Step on them.
That's all the way.
Okay. You're good. To the other side.
That was easy. We couldn't find a funnel in the first 5 seconds. Let's find a funnel. Just like that. Got brake fluid. Oh yeah. Now we gotta do the clutch.
Yep.
You should learn to pull off the intercooler, dude.
No,
It's a really useful skill to have.
That's your job.
The unboxing. Oh, we're gonna need caps.
Caps?
Yeah, because those are the auto trans cooler. Little, like, hose hookup thingies. So hopefully the old one has it.
I'm sure it does.
Looks pretty legit.
Yep, looks like a radiator.
Yep, looks pretty radiators. There is something missing from here. Would you say it is an intercooler?
Yeah, we're actually just gonna put that giant one on.
If you can get it on, you can put the giant one on. I tried and it was fucking hard. Hurry up, dude.
Shit.
There's bugs everywhere.
Yeah, it's Florida. Cool. It's just dumping stuff all over the place. It's 8:30.
Alrighty, well,
8:30.
got the new radiator, and then there's these weird kind of plugs for the automatic trans, if you have that, which of course we don't. So I gotta run up to the store and get some plugs for those, get another bottle of coolant, and then some quick dry, because we spilled coolant all over the driveway. And then hopefully we'll be able to fire this bitch up. Maybe.
Maybe.
Alrighty guys, so a couple hours have passed since last we saw you, and got all of the stuff that we said we were going to do done. Now we're going to try to start it and see if it will drive. One headlight! Quite a bit of stuff puffing out the back, but carbon monoxide alarm in the house. I don't know if the temperature gauge works either. I doubt it does if the gas gauge doesn't work. I bet it, well, I really hope that it's a fuse. Any spewing leaks or anything? Seems alright. I don't see anything spewing out of the turbo like it was anymore. Seems like it's running pretty smoothly. No tag, one headlight.
Why sit around the block?
No insurance. We can go like down the street, see what happens. It moves. Holy shit! It moves. Clutch pretty bad. Wow, I'm kind of in shock right now.
I am too.
Holy crap.
This car's sick.
This is crazy. This is really, really crazy. The brakes work. Bummer. Yeah, that clutch is really struggling. Sounds just like a Subaru though.
Broken-ish. Just kidding.
Whoa. Clutch is so bad.
I think it's the slave cylinder.
It's crazy that it functions.
Yeah, that brakes are still a little mushy. So I just will have to leave those again. And the clutch is not in this. It's like on the ground right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can hear some good clunks coming out of the front right. Oh no!
Tell me how much further?
A little bit more. There you go. That'll work.
Perfect.
Wow.